Hi, this is Karen. Welcome to another card making tutorial at dolallycrafts. Why do I have two of the same card, I hear you ask? That's because this is the third time I'm going to be making this card. This was my sample that I made 2 or 3 days ago. This is the card that I made yesterday, that when I was uploading the files from the filming, discovered that I'd lost half of the card. So I'm going to film it again. As you would have already guessed, part of this card is using the Bird Ballad suite, which is the Free as a Bird cling set stamp and the Stitch Nested Labels dies, which are absolutely fantastic. Now, I already have the die out and I've got all of my stamps mounted over there. You will also need Stays On ink. And I am also using another 6 of our ink pads. We've got Call Me Clover, Mango Melody, Highland Heather, Soft Seafoam, Gorgeous Grape and Soft Suede. Apart from that, I am going to be using the shimmery white cardstock. I have one piece for the inside of the card. I have another piece to stamp the main image on, and then just scraps to cut the flowers out after I've stamped and coloured them in. I've also got Purple Posy cardstock, which is the card base. You can use either the basic pearls, or I'm using the Share What You Love Artisan pearls, and I'm using the yellow. I'm not sure what colour yellow it is. Oh, it could be any. It could be the pineapple. I'm trying to think. Pineapple Punch, maybe? Because it was the Share What You Love Artisan pearls that came out last year. It could be So Saffron. It could be Daffodil Delight. I can't remember. Okay, and you will also need your glue of choice, be it snail or tear and tape or glue dots, what have you. And you'll also need some dimensionals. Now, I just noticed I've got everything here, or thought I had, but I don't know where my tear and tape is. I will find it and I will be back to start the card. Okay, I'm just going to smear some Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape, I know I've got those the wrong way around, onto my craft mat. This is the clear mat that I got picked up from Officeworks here in Australia. So I'm just going to pop those down and then come in with my image, my main image, and my Wink of Stella. And I'm going to pick up some of the colour from here and put it on here. Now, I'm going to fast forward all the painting because you really don't want to sit here and watch me doing this for ages. So I will fast forward until the whole image is coloured in. Okay, all of our images are coloured and I just have to do one final stamping on the inside of the card before I can pop that in. Now, I've just noticed I must have ink somewhere on me because I have a smoosh of ink there and a smoosh of ink there. So I'm just going to pop our small flowers in and pop 2 of the larger flowers in, just top and bottom there, and that's the inside of the card finished. so that can be adhered. So I'm going to pop a bit of tape, double-sided tape, across the top here and the bottom, and that can be adhered inside the card. All the measurements and everything for this card can be found on my blog. Okay, so that's the inside of the card finished. Pop that to the side. I'm going to fussy cut these out, so I will be back in a moment. I will fast forward while I'm doing this so you don't have to sit and watch. Okay, so we've got this bit done. Now I just need to come in with the die cut, and this is the second largest of these dies, and I'm just going to go and run it through my Big Shot. I will be back in a moment. Now, isn't that stunning? I love it. I don't know whether you can see how much of a glimmer that has. It is beautiful. Not only the shimmery, the cardstock, but the birds, the leaves, the branch, everything is glittering. Okay, we're going to come in with some dimensionals, and I'm going to pop our florals around the edge here. That mango melody in the centre of those flowers just really sets them off. Okay. These pieces of dimensionals just don't want to move. We'll bring our card base in, and I have to do a little bit of stamp. So in with the small flower again, and in with the Highland Heather. Now this is a couple of shades darker than the purple posy, but that's fine. It actually still gives like a tone on tone effect, and it's really sweet. I love the colours. In with our dimensionals again. This card has a lot of dimension, so snip these edges off. I may as well use these around the edge of the die cut. Now we're going to find the centre of the front of the card and pop this in. That's just about it. Like so. Give it a good press down. And our card is almost finished. We're just going to come in with the Share What You Love Artisan Pearls, and I'm using the yellow ones, and with the mango melody behind, they look really, really sweet. Okay, and that's our card finished inside and out. Here we go. Plenty of cards to choose from this week. Okay, as you can see with this one, I did it in the imperial measurements. So this measured 8 inches by 5.5. But with these ones, I decided, what the hell, I'll just slice one full A4 sheet in two. With that one, I just folded it so it actually measures the full 8 1/4, folded in half at 4 1/8. And this one is 4 inches in depth and 5 3/4 in length. So there we go. I hope you liked today's card and you'll give it a go. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please press the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you don't miss a video from me. Okay, that's all from me. I will be back on Thursday with another Throwback Thursday, and Sunday is, of course, Plan With Me. Okay, that's enough from me for now. I will see you later. Bye-bye.